Magic Number Part 2. 10 with exponents. Last time we discovered 10 with exponents adds that number of zeros to a number. For example, 1 times 10 to the power of 2 equals 100, or 1 with 2 zeros after it. You can also move a decimal point in the same number of spaces as the exponent number. For example, 1.2 times 10 to the power of 3 equals 1200, or 1200. Let's try something a bit different. 1 times 1.0, or just 1, times 10 to the negative 1 equals 0.1, or 1/10. So what does this tell you? 1276 times 10 to the negative 2 equals 12.76. What happened in that decimal point? What does this mean? With a 10 with a negative exponent moves the decimal point to the left. Let's try some examples. Alright, welcome back. It's time for practice. 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 1.0 times 10 to the power of 0. This is kind of cool. Equals 1.0. What does that tell you about 10 to the power of 0? The same as 1, right? So it's the same as 1.0 times 1 equals 1.0. So let's think about this. 1.0 times 10 to the 1 equals what? And 1.0 times 10 to the negative 1 equals what? And change colors. And this would be, if this is 0, 10 to the 0 is 1, 10 to the 1 must be, what do you think? 10. So this would be 10.0. And this is negative 1, so remember we're moving the decimal point, this thing, that way. If you look this one, we move that way. The number's getting smaller, so it's 0.1. Okay? Something to think about. Be right back. Alright, I'm going to put my thinking cap on now. You should too. Put your thinking cap on. Big finger. Thinking cap. Now, let's try blue. Okay. 2.3 times 10 to the negative 2. We're going to move this decimal point which direction? Because it's negative, right? So this equals 0. Moving in two places. 1, 2. Right? So it started here. 1, 2. And ended there. Okay? Take a look at another one. 34.2 times 10 to the negative 5. Let's go crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, went off the board. So that equals, we're going to just move the decimal point over here. There we go. Pretend that number's not there. Oops, dropped my pen. 1, 2, there, put a 0, need that placeholder. Let's move this number, 2, 4, 3, so there's our first 2 places, and zeros. Is that 5 places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's clean it up a little bit. There you go. Okay, I'm going to give you a link. Try it at home. Bye.